Dropshipping marketing strategy. 5 insanely effective tips to boost your sales. Want to boost your dropshipping marketing strategy and make more sales for your online store? Then you've come to the right place. E-commerce is massive, with an expected $4.8 trillion total this year. In such a booming industry, dropshipping is one of the most appealing ways for new businesses to get into e-commerce. While there is loads of potential to build a successful dropshipping business, it's also incredibly competitive. If you want to own a thriving online store, there's so much more to it than just having a great product. You need to have a strong dropshipping marketing plan in place. In fact, because you're not in charge of product fulfillment and production, dropshipping is pretty much entirely about marketing. Follow our guide below for everything you need to know about developing a winning dropshipping marketing strategy. Get these tactics right, and you'll be able to reach more customers and outsell the competition. Why is dropshipping marketing so important? You need to have a great marketing strategy for your dropshipping store to be successful. This is because you're probably not the only person selling your products online, so you need to make your store stand out. Marketing will help customers trust your business, which can also be tricky for dropshipping stores that sell other people's products. If you get into dropshipping, you won't be directly involved in the products or the fulfillment. This means marketing your business is the only thing that you have complete control over to help you grow your store. Looking for ways to get more customers and sales for your dropshipping business? Here are 5 strategies that should make a big difference. 1. Add customer reviews and ratings to your site. One of the biggest challenges that any dropshipping business faces is building trust with its audience. Customers are often skeptical when they find a new dropshipping store, and they need to be sure about the quality of the products before making a decision to buy. This is why clearly visible reviews and testimonials are so important. Reviews help customers to build trust, and having positive reviews available makes it much easier for customers to quickly make the decision to buy. If you're just starting your dropshipping store, then you can always take snapshots of customer feedback from your supplier's store and post this on your website. This is something that many dropshipping store owners from AliExpress do. Once you've been able to generate a few great reviews of your own, then you can replace this snapshot with your own review section. 2. Focus on retargeting customers. 98% of visitors to your dropshipping site won't make a purchase on their first visit. Instead of just hoping for sales from the remaining 2% and focusing your marketing efforts on gaining new traffic, you should be retargeting all of the visitors who have been on your site. Retargeting is when you display relevant ads and marketing content to visitors who have been on your site but didn't take any action. These ads appear on other websites after visitors have left your store. After visitors have been retargeted, they should have a 70% better chance of becoming customers on your site. Successful dropshipping retargeting needs to use carefully created display ads. These display ads should have a clear retargeting headline/slip that draws the customer in. This could include something like "still interested in buying me," with an image of the product the visitor was looking at. 3. Focus on SEO content marketing. Blogging is one of the best marketing strategies for any dropshipping business to be worth it. Sure, it takes a bit of time and effort, but it also offers excellent ROI. Blogging is a low-cost marketing tactic, and when your blog posts start to rank, you'll be able to send loads more traffic to your dropshipping store. Besides being able to offer inspirational content to help your target audience make a purchase, blog content marketing helps your search engine optimization (SEO) results. This is essential because having good SEO results means more free traffic to your dropshipping business, which means more sales. To get started with blogging, you'll need to write helpful, insightful, and interesting posts that your target audience will want to read. Then you can use your post to send more traffic to your dropshipping store. Great blog content should include things like guides, roundup posts, and anything that your potential customers are interested in reading. For example, if you run a dropshipping business that sells surfing products, you could write a blog post on how to set up a surfboard or a guide to the coolest surfing tricks. 4. Utilize email marketing. Email marketing is another highly effective dropshipping marketing strategy that offers a great return on investment. Email marketing should form a major part of any online shop marketing strategy because it can be used to retain customers, inspire new customers to make a purchase, highlight special offers and promotions, turn abandoned carts into sales, more on this later, and more. Start by sending out a regular email newsletter. You can set up forms, pop-ups, and other lead generation tactics to attract subscribers. These email subscribers will now enter the first stages of your purchasing funnel. You can use your newsletter to send out your regular blog content, news updates, as well as any special offers and promotions that you're running. A good tactic is to send out a welcome offer to new subscribers straight away. This is one of the fastest ways to get them to become customers. With the right email marketing tool, you can also create custom email lists based on your customers' past actions. This allows you to send relevant updates and special offers to the right customers. For example, if you sold swimwear to customers in summer, you can send them a special offer for relevant winter clothes when the seasons change. If someone bought a surfboard from your dropshipping store, you can follow up with a promotion on surfboard accessories that you sell. 5. Develop a clear social media marketing strategy. Social media marketing can be one of the most effective ways to promote your dropshipping store. However, social media is also a highly competitive space, and you need to create your social media marketing strategy wisely. Start by choosing the best channels for your dropshipping business and focus on these. It's best to start small, focus on 2 or 3 channels, and give these channels the attention they deserve. For dropshipping, visual platforms like Pinterest and Instagram work well to highlight your products. Create clear social media goals and choose the platforms that best support this. Posting short video content on social media, like Instagram Reels or TikTok videos, is an excellent way to show your products in action. You should also try to gather as much user-generated content and social proof as possible. This will help your dropshipping brand to build up more credibility and trust. Working with brand ambassadors or influencers can be a good way to get this rolling. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.